How to create a group in VRchat. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, you need to launch a preferred browser in your device. The process is similar for both of your mobile device and your PC. Make sure you are logged in into your VRchat account. In your left hand side, you will see the three horizontal line. Go ahead and click on it. From here, access to the option of groups and tap on this given option. Over here, if you have created your group once, you will find it right over here. Or to create a new group chat, you need to click on Create Group. Once you click on the given option, the next step would be to enter the name of your group. Once you have entered your name, then you will be asked to enter a short code or the OTP code, which will be required to be entered by the members to join the group. After that, you can add a description to your group. You can add the visuals about it or certain rules of the community. After you have done that, set how the people can join you. The options would be free join, request to join, or invite only. This setting can be changed later. After that, select if you want this group to be public or private. You need to be careful to choosing this because this setting cannot be changed. After that, you can select a role template, then it will generate different set of roles for your group, which can be customized by yourself. Then, create a banner and a group icon and you are good to go. This sums up the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.